No, you can't say metaphor. Let's see. Each day. Again, each day brings new beginning. So here alliteration, you can see. B sound is repeated. Okay, brings beginning. Understand? Okay, and then you have personification. Can you see personification? And inhumanate things are given humanate status. For example, day is here. Okay, and day is given humanate quality of being able to. Okay, so that's why here in this line we have two figures of speech. One is alliteration, that is a repeated sound. Sound is repeated. Which sound is repeated? The B. Okay, that brings and beginning. Later on there is personification and inhumanate quality is given humanate status. Later on second line you can see in the same stanza, decisions I must make. In this second stanza, first stanza, second line, decisions I must make. Can you see? Do you think? Yes. In this line, you have two figures of speech. One is alliteration and second is inversion. Alliteration, the sound M is repeated. See, must, make. Okay. And what is it? Is how do you say it is inversion? Because the sentence is not written in a proper order. It means now say change order of the words in a correct order. It should be कसा असायला पाहिजे बघा. It should be I must make decisions. Understand? Means it is not in a proper word order. And that's why to bring it in a proper word order, we have to write such sentence in a I must make decision. So in the second line of the poem, we have two, that is alliteration and inversion. See next. You can see there. So only you can see the poem. Okay. See the poem. Next line. Later on see. The road that I will take. Can you see the line? The road I will take. See the line. Okay, that is the fourth line in the same stanza. The road that I will take. Again, I am repeating it only for understanding. Yes, in this line, the road that I will take. Which sound is repeated? The road, that. Can you see the th? Okay, so you can see here repeated sound is the. Like this one, that is a alliteration. Okay, the and that. So that the road that I will take. Then we have your metaphor. See, the decisions the speaker would have to take. Okay, and are indirectly compared to the road. Okay, or we can say would have to choose such road of life. Indirectly compare the decisions. You can see the road that I will take. Indirectly compare with road. Understand? What are compared? Are decisions.
GKS College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Khadauli. From 12th standard to 70 number from in available. 11th Arts, 11th Commerce, 11th Science, BA, Bachelor of Arts, BCom, Account of Finance, BMC, Bachelor of Management Studies, BSc, Bachelor of Computer Science. Address: opposite Military School, Khadauli East, Kalyan. Contact number 025 12 37 0975 9029 37 0975 9967 112738. GKS कला वाणिज्य आणि विज्ञान महाविद्यालय खडवली. मान्यता महाराष्ट्र राज्य मुंबई विद्यापीठ. प्रवेश सुरू. 11वी कला, 11वी वाणिज्य, 11वी विज्ञान, BA बॅचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, BCom अकाउंट ऑफ फायनान्स, BMS बॅचलर ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट स्टडीज, BSc बॅचलर ऑफ कम्प्युटर सायन्स. 12वी करिता 17 नंबर फॉर्मची सुविधा उपलब्ध आहे. पत्ता: सैनिकी शाळेजवळ खडवली पूर्व, तालुका कल्याण, जिल्हा ठाणे. कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर 025-123-70975 90293-70975 9967112738.
Our decisions are compared with the road of life, and that's why here it is a metaphor. Let's see the next. You can see the next. I can choose to take the road of life. Can you see? It is the same. I can choose, okay, to take the road of life. Again here the road of success. Okay, it is indirectly compared with the road of life. Correct? Can you see? Yes, I can choose to take the road of life. So road of success is indirectly again compared here road of life. Later on next now, so it is it is metaphor. It is comparison. Understand? The road of life is compared with the road of success. Later on, or travel down the darkened road. So again very well it is alliteration. Which sound is repeated here? D. Can you see? Or travel down the darkened road. D. Down, darkened. Okay, so sound D is repeated here, and that is here alliteration. Later on, now see again here it is given. Okay. The path of life which is distress here indirectly compared to a darkened road. That's why again here is one figure of speech that is compare with darkened road. So what is that? That is again metaphor. Okay, correct? Because the path of life is again compared with darkened road. Understand? That's why it is again metaphor. The next lines you can see, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Can you see this line? Yes. Please open up, third stanza. You can see the first line of third stanza. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord. It is you know it very well. Someone talks or teenager talks with God. If he talks with the God, someone talks with God or speak with God, or such things, objects, we talks with objects or such ideas, then we have apostrophe. It is called apostrophe. Correct? It is apostrophe. So there is a direct address to God. He talks with God. Okay. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Understand? And that's why it is apostrophe. Understand? Who is actually not in the presence here. Can you see the God? Yes, no. But we just directly talk with God that the thing is not present. Understand? Or directly when we talk with ideas or we talk with things or objects, that time we have apostrophe. Then later on we have another figure of speech in this, and that is inversion. In the same sense, we have decisions I must make. In the same sense, we have inversion. Okay, what change? Change of order of word. Can you see? Yes. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord. How will you change it in the correct order? Dear Lord, please open up my eyes. Later on next. So you have here, it is inversion. Then you can see next, that is yes. When temptation comes my way. Can you see this line? Yes. When temptation comes my way. See the first stanza and second line. Yes. Temptation is given a human quality. Comes one's way. So let's say when temptation comes my way. So temptation is given human quality. Okay. It comes my way, and that's why we call it is personification. Personification is what that an inhuman qualities are given human status. And in the same sense we can see when temptation comes my way. So temptations it's inhuman quality, and it is inhuman thing, and given inhuman quality, that is coming my way. Understand? Yes. Later on next, for life each day, and fit for life, fit for. Okay, so what can you see? Yes, figure of speech. Alliteration, the sound F is repeated here. Later on see. Next, I know that I will see. Yes, I know that I will see. Which word is repeated here? I. So it is figure of speech is alliteration. The word I has repeated or maintaining the repeated or maintaining the rhyme of the poem, correct? And that's why it is alliteration. So later on now the very important point of poem, that is appreciation. This is very important thing. Such kind of question will be asked for 5 marks in your exam. Okay, how to appreciate poem, just we have to consider. In your textbook there are few points, I think 8 points are given, correct? But it was the pattern of old syllabus. But now it is, the syllabus is the same, but old pattern of question paper. Now it is changed, and you have it is kept for 5 marks. Understand? So let's see. Appreciation of the poem. The question will be asked. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in 12 or 15 sentences. Okay, now it is given 12 or 15 sentences. Okay, with the help of following points, and points are already given. So you don't need to worry because points are already given. So what are the points are given there? First point is title. Second point is poet. Third point is rhyme scheme. Okay, rhyme scheme. And fourth point is figure of speech. And fifth point, central idea, main idea we can say of the poem, or we can say theme of the poem. You need to prepare such kinds of. So let's see how will you write. Okay, first title. Okay, now let's see how to write it. Okay, in case of appreciation, let's see appreciation of the poem. You know, such points are given here. Number 1, title. How will you write title? You can see directly the title of the poem, A Teenager's Prayer. Okay, A Teenager's Prayer. So you know it well. So same you can write, okay, like this way, A Teenager's Prayer. But better way, you have to write it in the way the title of this poem is, write it into inverted comma, A Teenager's Prayer. Same you have to write Teenager's Prayer. Okay, in this way. So very easy. Teenager's Prayer. Write it into inverted comma and underline it. Why to underline? It is to focus. Understand? Later on, second point. Point number 2, poet. It is given here, poet. So how will you write? You can directly write with JMOS, but instead of writing directly, it is impressive to write in a full form. How will you write? The poet. Very good. Poet of this poem is JMOS. J inverse. Okay, so underline it.